Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To set which apps are used to open files and perform tasks by default in Windows 10, open the Settings window and click the System button in the middle of the screen to display system settings for your device. Then click the Default Apps category at the left side of this window to view settings that determine which app is set to be used by default to perform tasks in Windows 10 in the area to the right. Under the Choose Default Apps section, you can click either the existing default app name shown or the Choose a Default button to select the name of the app that you want to use for each activity by default from a pop-up menu of app choices that appears. Advanced users may want to select which app to use by default by associating a default app with a file extension or protocol. To associate an app by file extension, click the Choose Default Apps by File Type command. Then scroll through the listing of file types shown and click the button under the Default App column for the desired file type to set a default app to open that type of file. When you are finished, click the Back button in the upper left corner to return to the Default Apps Settings category. To associate an app by protocol, click the Choose Default Apps by Protocol command. Then scroll through the listing of protocols shown and click the button under the Default App column for the desired protocol to set a default app to open that protocol. When finished, click the Back button in the upper left corner to return to the Default Apps Settings category. To set the defaults by app instead, click the Set Defaults by App command to open the Set Default Programs window in the Control panel. Here you can select an app in the far left list and then click the links at the right side of the window to set the app as the default for all protocols and file types it can open, or to select the file types and protocols it can open. When finished using the Set Default Programs window in the Control panel, click the X button in the upper right corner of the window to close it and return to the Default Apps Settings window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.